Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clear stubborn cache cookies without losing logins in Chrome. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to clear stubborn cache or cookies without losing logins in your Chrome, all you gotta do is simply go to clear browsing data once you open your Chrome. So once you open your Chrome, simply tap on the three dots, and once you do this, you can simply tap on delete browsing data. Now, all you gotta do is tap on more options and then simply start to select the time range. You need to select like the time range when you are assured that password and other sign-in are unchecked, like they are not used. So I'm using like last 24 hours. Once you have done this, you can simply tap on cookies side and cache image and files only and untick all other boxes. So this will allow you to simply clear stubborn cache cookies without losing logins in Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.